Perplexity Pro versus ChatGPT Plus. Let's get started. So let's start with Perplexity Pro. It is an AI-powered search engine assistant. It gives real-time website answers, research tools, and deep search capabilities. And here is the Pro feature. So it's a Pro feature, which is a premium subscription plan designed to enhance your search experience with advanced features and capabilities. So you can get Pro searches, powerful AI models, search modes, and a lot of features by having the Pro feature. But what exactly are they? So you can get real-time web access with sources, it's cheaper than ChatGPT Plus, and it is fast, concise, and always cited. Now, ChatGPT Plus, on the other hand, gives you access to GPT-4 inside ChatGPT. It's a conversational powerhouse for writing, coding, planning, and creative tasks, but its browsing is limited unless explicitly enabled. So, it offers a great for coding, storytelling, brainstorming AI. It can also analyze files, images, and use the tools, which is included in the Plus features. And it also has a strong reasoning and applying capabilities, and it can hold context across long conversations. So choose Perplexity Pro if you want a fast fact-based research assistant that pulls answers directly from the web, and choose ChatGPT if you want a creative, smart AI partner for writing, coding, documents, images, or planning.